So guys, finally have a look here, the condition of RK College after second days of COVID-19. You can see this is the talab of RK College and the sun is gonna set. Everything is fine, but due to COVID-19 the crowd of RK College is not seen here. So today I'm gonna look all the things from RK College. And guys, you can see here the room are painted newly and all the things are looking beautiful here. As you know, at the last video I recorded and there was few information regarding RK College, and you can see here there is no crowd of students and the fields are empty totally. And this is RK College, the beautiful college. I'm gonna head to record. This is प्रशासनिक भवन कार्यालय in Hindi if you say, and this is sports and culture department of RK College. And you can see here physics department, examination hall is there. And I am gonna show you one thing more, girls common room. Yeah, you can see there, that is girls common room, and besides of it there are field. As far as this college is concerned, this college is very beautiful. You can notice that this is examination hall and there is Mahila Chhatrawas. You can see there. I am gonna zoom out it, and that is the Mahila Chhatrawas, girls hostel, you can say in English. This girls hostel belongs to RK College. This is the garden, beautiful. There students can walk, the lecturers can walk, and everyone can walk. So now I'm gonna take a return from here and will show you the field where students, people are playing cricket. This was the RK College few rooms, and this is science department. Here you can see this is Bhautiki department and this is science department. Chemistry department is there located, you can see there. And now this is the field where people are usually play cricket, and I love this field because I used to play here cricket a lot of time. And this was the condition of RK College after second wave of COVID-19 coronavirus. However, people are taking their prescriptions, like they are wearing masks, but they are playing here, that's good. And this road has been done, repaired newly, and the people are playing cricket over there, you can see. And this is the very place where I usually used to play in 2019. And you can see there Vanijya Bhavan, BA department. That is the BA department of RK College, and there is, I am gonna show you, there is the library come reading room. You can see there. Yeah guys, I hope you will like this video definitely, because this is some helpful for you if you wanna see the RK College after COVID-19. So it was the new information about this college. Bye, take care, and have a good day. All the best. That's all for today.